Now you can understand the psychological state of Lilium tigrinum. Patient having a continuous feeling that something bad will happen. She is going to go insane. She is going to lose her mind. Something bad will happen. Fear of a disease, fear of heart disease, fear of insanity. Something bad will happen. But what is that bad? What is that bad is she done something wrong, and result of that wrong did she will having the bad thing happen. So she have the feeling that she is going to lose her mind. She is going to have heart attack. She is going to have misfortune. She will become sick. During that phase, the ailment of hurried nature, hurriedness is very important. Lilium tig has a great hurriedness like tarantula. They wants to do several things at a one time. Everything is great. Energy is great in both. So they go on doing work and work. More they do work, more they feel hurry. Both in tarantula as well as in Lilium tigrinum. They are doing so hard or more to get rid of that energy which is inside. The energy which is there in Lilium tigrinum, that energy is destroying type of energy, that destroying them, which is not a good energy, it is a bad energy, that is arises due to suppression of sexual desire. Okay, so that hurried nature in Lilium tigrinum is because of lots of energy is arises due to the suppression of sexual desire, and that energy is destroying type of energy which destroy the personality mentally as well as physically. In Lilium tigrinum, we may see a kind of manic depressive state where the mental symptoms develop, then mental symptoms goes away, and we have the physical symptoms. Means mental symptoms are alternating with physical symptoms is one of the keynote of Lilium tigrinum patients. Like patient having pain in stomach, sometimes having sciatica, sometimes having nervous pain, and that pain goes on, then again the psychological picture comes up. Okay, a religious affection that matches with the remedies, like the religious affection of Lilium tigrinum is matches with another religious remedies like hyoscyamus, lachesis, and veratrum alb. A very peculiar feature of Lilium tigrinum is that she is very depressed at night, and whenever she wakes up in the morning, she wakes up with the diarrhea. Means whenever patient having depressive state at night, she wakes up with the diarrhea in the morning, which is very peculiar and unique. She has the mental symptoms that alternate with physical symptoms. Then she may go in a depression. When depression goes away, there is a tremendous sexual energy which comes, and then it let themselves go into a very depressive state. Again, I am explaining that if a Lilium tigrinum patient having the sexual energy or great sexual desire, and they allow themselves to go into the sexual sphere, then they will be talking in a language which is very lewd language, very lascivious language. They're thinking a lot, their thought process, thinking process are very lascivious at that time. They are acting upon the sexual energy. They acting aggressively, very aggressively, like a tiger. The tiger idea of Lilium tigrinum is the sexual energy that becomes too aggressive and overtake the individual. And again the lily ailments, the purity, uh, ailments of purity, clarity, that makes them to be very nice, that I must be correct, I must be nice, I must be good. So two natural behavior we found, that one side very aggressiveness, very sexual, one side is very religious, very nice, very good, very obedient. So two polarities are there and there is continuous battle between them. So this religiousness, this purity, this lily element is a driving force inside them to have morality. Then there is a conflict, and we have the case of Lilium Tig. Okay, this Lilium tigrinum patient having aversion to mental work. There is a kind of confusion in the head, having aversion to anything which require the mental strain. They want to be left alone, and this is the idea that they always wants to be alone, uh, don't want to be engaged in any kind of work, or don't want to do any kind of mental exertion. This crazy feeling, wild crazy feeling, emotions which are inside there in the head, which is looks like vertigo almost. They will describe it as a motion inside the head which is not vertigo but looks like vertigo. We see the similarity with leg caninum, that headache with alternating uh, types. This headache usually comes after excitement, irritability, which they have like wild feeling, motion in the head, this kind of dizziness and vertigo, whatever it is, but that is ends up with the tearing headache. With this kind of headache, they want to move about, move into the fresh air. Whenever they move over the fresh air, they feel relieved. Whenever they stay at home in that situation, they feel aggravated, or warm room aggravates them. This irritability of Lilium tigrinum personalities are more pronounced after an orgasm. Instead of being happy, they become very irritable after an orgasm, after having sex, or even after nightly emissions. They become very angry. Sometimes Lilium tigrinum personalities develop desire to pull their hair like belladonna, like Lachesis tarantula. Crazy impulse they're developing. Mental symptoms are developing after having sex. This is the tiger element of Lilium tigrinum. Hurriedness, irritability, compelling impulse to do the things very fast. Okay, we have the disturbances of eyes or the visual disturbances after orgasm. Means after orgasm, patient having visual disturbances. Whenever the patient becomes irritable, they don't like to eat, means patient develop aversion for the food after being irritable. Then we have the keynote symptom of Lilium tigrinum, which is very similar to sepia, that is bearing down sensation of the abdomen and intestine. The intestine feels very heavy, dragged down feeling. That is very strong symptoms of Lilium tigrinum, similar to sepia, but the difference is that sepia having aversion to sex and Lilium tig having the strong desire for the sex. And in both sepia and Lilium tig, cross their legs feels better. Crossing the legs ameliorates, which is seen in both the remedy in sepia as well as in Lilium tigrinum. Drawing down sensation during the menses, which is also seen in platina, sepia as well as in Lilium tigrinum. Means during menstruation also patient having dragging down sensation or bearing down sensation. This bearing down, dragging down sensation is during stool or while standing also, during passing stool or during defecation also, and during standing also patient feels the same. Then this is the keynote of Lilium tig. Drawing down sensation all the time, while sitting, while walking, and while crossing the legs amelioration, then this is an indication of sepia, Lilium tig, and murex. Abdomen also feels sore, distended, trembling inside, feeling of pressing in hypogastrium, pressure in hypogastrium, feeling of pressure towards genitalia. This is all because of prolapse. Many a times Lilium tigrinum patients having sensation as if that menses are going to come, menses are going to come. That kind of feeling always there in the Lilium tigrinum patient. Lilium tigrinum patient having also constipation. This constipation is similar to nux vomica, okay, with irritability and all, and also have the diarrhea which is looks like sulfur. So Lilium tigrinum patient having constipation like nux vomica and diarrhea like sulfur. Diarrhea comes in the morning, has to get up in the morning quickly, okay, and diarrhea driving the patient out of the bed. This is diarrhea of sulfur, and which is also seen in Lilium tigrinum. Very important keynote that patient having urging for the stool and only urine comes up, and there is an ineffectual urging and only urine comes up. પેશન્ટને ડિફિકેશન માટે જવું હોય, ડિફિકેશનની ડિઝાયર હોય, સ્ટૂલ પાસ કરવાની ડિઝાયર હોય, ઓનલી યુરિન પાસ થાય. એ બી uneffectual, unsatisfactory passage of urine while thinking of defecation. Okay, very important. Another important keynote of Lilium tigrinum is feeling of lump in the rectum, and which is worst by standing. Because of prolapse, patient feels that there is a lump inside the rectum, and that is worst by standing. There is all over irritability in Lilium tigrinum patient. Irritability of nervous system, and this irritability is seen towards abdomen, towards the urinary organ, towards the rectum. There is constant irritation of nervous system which gives the feeling of urging of stool, urging of urination, and many a times that urging is ineffectual, unsatisfactory. Then you will see, then further irritation goes on toward the prolapse, okay, the real prolapse of uterus like sepia. And if the patient gets cystitis, there is pain in urethra, outside the urethra, burning pain, severe burning pain like cantharis and cannabis indica. Okay, if we see a male patient, and if male is try to suppress the sexual desire, because in male the sexual desires are very strong, then by suppressing the sexual desire he may develop the severe physical problems. મેલમાં પણ ઇન્ડિકેટ થઈ શકે Lilium tigrinum whenever the male is tries to suppress the sexual desire, and because of that suppressed sexual desire, patient having the severe physical complaints. કેમ કે મેલમાં સ્ટ્રોંગ સેક્સ્યુઅલ ડિઝાયર હોય ને એ સ્ટ્રોંગ ડિઝાયરને સપ્રેસ કરવાની ટ્રાય કરે, and because of that consequences of suppression, patient develop the physical symptoms which is very severe, like tumor, epididymitis, different physical symptomatology by trying to suppress the physical energy, sexual energy. There is deep pain in genitalia that alternate with the heart, or congestion of the heart, or a heart pain. At that time they become very fearful about having heart problems. Feeling of constrictions of the heart, especially at night, and they have to walk bending because of constriction. They cannot walk straight. This is all about Lilium tigrinum. I hope you can understand it. Thank you.